Hi everyone. Today we're going to be setting up our Google Home. The first thing you do after you take it out of the box, you get your power cord, and you plug it into Google Home, plug it into the wall, and then you're going to want to download the Google Home app, and then we'll take it from there on how to set it up. Alright, so we're just going to go into our Google Home app that we just downloaded from the App Store. We're going to want to hit Get Started. Alright, so it's going to ask us to confirm our account. We're going to go ahead and use an email here. Just select the email that you want to use on your device. You're just going to go ahead and hit OK. Alright, we'll just go along here. Alright, so it then asks us for which Google account we want to use. So we're going to go ahead and just enter that information now, and we'll take it from there. Alright, so once you're able to sign in, it's going to ask you to choose a home. We're just going to hit this top one here, and then go next. Then it's going to go ahead and look for devices. It'll just kind of do a quick search.
Okay.
Alright, so it found a Google Home device. We're going to go ahead and hit next because this is the one that we want to use setting it up. So as we try and sync the device, it's going to make a noise. If it's the right device, you know it's syncing. If you hear the noise, you know it's syncing to the right device. So we'll go ahead and see if we can hear it again. It's a very faint noise, but we could hear it. Alright, so now that we heard the noise, we know it's the right device. We're going to go ahead and hit yes. I'm going to ask you to do a survey. We're going to hit no for now. Where is this device? So we're going to do ours in the living room here. We'll hit the family room. And we'll hit next. So you can go ahead and search these different options, find out which one is best for you and where you're planning on putting the device. So we're going to go ahead and select the our Wi-Fi network there, and then enter our Wi-Fi password. So this screen here that just popped up, it's telling us that it is powered by Google Assistant. It's just some more information, and you can kind of explore different partners and different devices that you can use in conjunction with the Google Home. So we'll hit next here and have it advance to the next screen. Screen here, this is if you want to train your Google Home to listen to a specific voice, you can go ahead and do that, or multiple voices. Now's the time to go ahead and do that and train your device to listen to your voice. So this screen is asking us which voice we want to use to set up the Google Home. You can try the different voice options and see which one you like better. We're just going to stick with voice 1 and go on to the next screen. So that last pop-up just was asking if I give it Google permission to know where my address is, and this will give it geographic specific information like what's the weather like outside. Google will just know that information if you give it access to that to your location. So I said yes. I'm going to go ahead and enter my address, and it's generated my address there, and then I'm going to hit next. So now that we've entered our correct address in there, we're just going to go ahead and hit next. This now gives you, at this point, it gives you options. Which media services do you want to add? Do you want to link your Spotify, your Google Play Music, Pandora, etc. And you can go through and look at those. So for now, I think we're just going to add our Google Play Music, and then we'll hit next. So now it's asking us to link any streaming services that we want, Netflix, HBO Now, etc. So you can go through and add those, link them to your device. And so with the music page and this page as well, something that you need to know is when you're requesting that maybe they play a movie, you'd say play this movie on Netflix or play this song on Spotify, and then your Google Home will know which one. So if you do have a Spotify or Netflix, this is a great time to link those, and then it will easily be able to play music. So with that in mind, we're actually going to go back and do that a little bit later. But so for now, we're just going to hit next. And then now we don't want to enjoy a free trial right now. So now it's just asking us, do we want to receive updates on Google Home and Google Assistant? I think for now we'd probably just say no thanks. If that's something you're interested in, by all means sign up. And then, so now it's asking if you want to add caller ID, payment methods. In case you want to order something off online with your voice, you'll have that information already loaded into your Google account, and you can easily do that. We're going to skip this step and then maybe come back a little bit later. All right, so now it's just letting us know that the speaker is ready to go. So let's go ahead and try it out. Okay, Google, what's the temperature outside?
The temperature in Murray right now is 32.
So now we know that our Google Home is working. It's pulling the correct information, and it looks like everything has gone smoothly in the setup process. So we'll just hit continue there.
I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
All right, so at this point, this is just a tutorial that can kind of walk you through some of the different services that are available. This is a good time to explore and better understand your Google Home. Something to keep in mind is that in order to engage your Google Home, you need to say, "Hey Google" or "Okay Google." And you'll see it's kind of lighting up now. It's waiting for a question. So you can ask the question, "What's the temperature outside?" and you'll see that it's not going to engage. But you can say, "Hey Google, what's the temperature outside?"
In Murray, it's currently 32.
So you'll see that's at what point it will engage. So just keep that in mind as you're asking questions, that you have to acknowledge the Google Home by saying, "Okay Google" or "Hey Google." Thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and remember to please subscribe to Big Al Repairs.